parang nangtatansya ngayon si Chis Escudero eh.
He
Dahil
should
nga
not.
sa nangyari in the past months na sobrang polarized eh. Kaya
Yes.
parang hindi niya masyadong medyo dahan-dahan siya sa pagdisiplina. You
Yes.
think that's a problem now?
Yes, that's as I said. They should. Senator Cheese, with all due respect, without he should exercise more control over the proceedings, so that we can get to move this impeachment trial. This cannot drag on and I can see that it's dragging on.
Saka may isa pa siyang problema, nagkakawalaan nga yung mga senador.
Again,
Not his fault. Nagkakawalaan, nababawasan. Yun yung reklamo kanina nila, yun yung reklamo nila Senator Cayetana and Senator Padilla. Kaya sabi nila, relevant daw sa impeachment yung personal problems nila.
well, they must rise above that. They have a responsibility to our people, and history will judge them how they conduct themselves.